Yo, 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 yo. This is trading cap one of one. I'm gonna be doing these every day just to kind of journal and have some data on everything. But let's put this back to 9:30 open. Leave this, go back to 9:30. Here we go. Okay. So what I saw going into open was in the higher time frame, I wanted to see um, to be bullish. I wanted to see if this gap being closed, which we weren't. We're remaining bearish market structure, and we inversed this 4 hour gap here. So I was like, okay, definitely bullish. We're making lower highs and lower lows, so it was just overall bullish market structure. And coming in, I wanted to see an accumulation, manipulation, distribution kind of day, just because we had these. This was really these two targets. I wanted to see them taken out before a short. I didn't need this, but I needed this one to be taken out before I wanted to go in short here. So what happened? Market open. Let me get rid of this and get rid of this. So 9:30 open, 9:30. There we go. So what I do every 9:30 open, I always, what are these levels right here? Okay, what is this? All right, let me just clean this up real quick and get these out of here. All right. So what I do every open here is I mark out the regular trading hours gap. So this candle closure to this candle open is the regular trading hours gap, which is the opening trading range. And this is CE, consequent incursion. So I always mark it out just like that. And we started, I think we come down here and soup these lows in this gap, and then we rally. Let me just confirm that. Yeah. So at first it looks bullish. Market's trying to manipulate everyone here. And so this isn't really market 9:30 Judah swing. It's not market manipulation here. The real manipulation is to the upside. So what we do is we close above the regular trading hours gap and we sweep out London highs here. And on the lower time frame, it looks like we're closing above them, but we're really just coming up to this new week opening gap here. We don't end up taking out these Asia highs here yet. We save that for later time, but we don't need to because we took out this liquidity. We took out liquidity in this new week opening gap here, respecting it. You'll see on the 15-minute time frame, that's what we do. Um, yeah, look at that. Super London high, super of the new week opening gap here. And it starts to slow down, and I'm like, all right, I want to look for shorts. This was the gap here that caught my eye right inside of this regular trading hours CE. We inverse this. I'm bearish to the downside, and I wanted to see low of day here taken out. But since Asia had a 250-point move overnight, yeah, 250-point move, I wasn't expecting much out of the AM session, so I cut risk and I didn't go to full external draw. So here we are gonna inverse this gap. Yeah, we inverse this gap. I enter on this candle just because I was late to class, so I wasn't on the markets at 9:30 open, so I had to set everything up. I entered on this candle. My stop loss, my stop loss wasn't this heavy, so I didn't enter like right there. I entered at the like literally right after. So basically, this candle I entered here. Stop loss was 50, so 57 and a half points. And my target was these equal lows. Oh, no, no, these equal lows down here for 2 3 R or 1 to 2 R essentially. And it kind of just smacked. Smacks. We had some rejection off midnight open. I go break even here at midnight open. and we just run this target. And then we ended up running low of day, but that wasn't that wasn't my target. Give it 2 weeks. But yeah, that wasn't my target here, just because I thought it was gonna be low probabilities, but it ended up smacking as well. But what was really my model here was this rejection wick. This just looks straight up bearish. Complete bearish market structure here. We soup these highs on the 15 minute, we soup this and we close below it. That's huge. And not only that, but we close below this regular trading hours gap. So while it looks bullish on the 1 minute, probably 5 minute too, we close above this. A higher time frame pulls more power and it comes down and we just smack all the draws. So that was basically it. That was what caught my eye. We had this accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and that was a pretty simple trade. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I'll see you guys the next trade. Till then, I'm out.